on the occasion of this Science Avishkar, which was like conducted by BRV Public School, it was students of first and second class performing. They all were very enthusiastic and had a very good communication skills, and the explanation part, and the foremost the teamwork, which is like ethically and morally we have to teach today's children. So it is like it was all of there, and it was a very holistically, it was a very nice and enjoyable experience for me.
And also I am very impressed by the creativity, enthusiasm and the skills, and the way they are explaining about the scientific concepts. So it is really impressive. And I also appreciate the BRV school management, who has taken this initiative to foster the talent of the students what they have, and also have given an opportunity to showcase their talents.
The students were exceptionally well, and the knowledge with the subject, the models what they had was brilliant. I would definitely like the students, the way they conducted themselves. Probably we'll have a very good research in the future as the students we take up to.
It's really amazing. I cannot explain my experience in words, but yes, I have to say something. So I'm just telling you, I've interacted with some great minds over here, and it blew my mind.
Students have done a wonderful job. Their models were very well made, and their explanations were very synchronized. They've done a great teamwork. I also applaud the teachers who have done a lot of work on the back end, I'm sure. And their concepts were very globally relevant at this point of time. So most of their concepts were about clean energy, cleaning the environment. So it looks like they are ready to take up the challenges for the future.
It's amazing that children have taken a lot of effort in terms of building the models. I got to look at all the mathematics related models and got to experience the children's way of presenting the different concepts in maths. Children have been really very hardworking, and they've made a lot of effort in terms of trying to understand the concepts. They've presented very beautifully. Some of them really have understood the concept very well. Some really need to work a little more. But it's fun to see that children are excited about the subject and have done a fantastic job.
BRV Avishkar is all about science exhibition. Science is not just about being theoretical, it is also about being practical. And our children here at BRV have proven about this by demonstrating their working models.
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರು. BRV ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಬ್ಬ ರೀತಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ BRV ಸ್ಕೂಲು. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಪಾಠ BRV ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಯಿತು ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
It's as per the NEP, that's New Education Policy 2022, wherein the children will learn more outside the four walls of the classroom, and they have to be outside the classroom to learn many things, and that is what they are exhibiting here. and they're excellent in the explanation part of all the teaching aids, and we know that I personally know them how they were when they came in the month of June, and now there is an excellent transformation in the children as far as that explanation is concerned.
Many of the strengths which are developed into students, like communication skills and stage daring and eye contact and many such kind of things which are actually required into the students. So finally, I must thanks to BRV Public School, and I would suggest that they should continue this trend, organizing this kind of events regularly.
This was a very impressive presentation from the kids of all different classes. When they are explaining, we could see their learning skills, explanation skills and presentation skills as well.
It is very nice and very educative. Here all the students have done very good job.
ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು.
I feel very happy that kids are doing very good, and what I have seen it, I have gone through my childhood age, and I have seen all the things, and it is very impressed, and it is good.
BRV Public School is one of the good school here. For last 3 years, he is studying here is good, and as well as locality also very nice.
Today I had a very great experience in Avishkar. First of all, Avishkar, I like the name itself. Very apt name for science exhibition.
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಬೋತ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ನೋಡಿ. ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಈ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಮೂಡಿಸೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಒಂದು ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಇದು. ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್.
ಇವಾಗ ಈ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇದಾನಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಲೈನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ.
EV3 brick is used, which is main in this robot. We can see that in computers motherboards are there, but here EV3 is the main one. Here EV3 is it is repeated in all. Using this EV3 we can build hexapod, snake, etc. We have used IR sensor which allows light to the robot and acts as a robotic eye, and it moves backward, front, left, right in all the directions.
Here we can see the big example for the periodic motion is simple pendulum. It consists of bob and thread suspended by the rigid stand. When I pull this and leave this, it goes in a to and fro manner.